And it's not just the more vulnerable populations feeling alone. Even as parts of Colorado start to reopen, many people still working from home and feeling isolated. And the fear is that some are turning to food, alcohol, or even drugs to manage their emotions. News 5's Patrick Nelson spoke with mental health experts and some folks affected on ways to rebound.
The National Institute on Mental Health says binge eating is the #1 eating disorder in the U.S. Cut off from normal routines and support systems, people are turning to food, drugs, and alcohol to manage their stress. This can be a difficult battle, but mental health experts say it all starts with telling someone you trust. Sarah Carell is a licensed counselor in Colorado Springs.
We've seen a huge rise in depression, suicide attempts, overdoses. This is serious.
Dr. Krista Bridgman is a professor of psychology at CSU Pueblo.
Why are we engaging in drinking more or using drugs? And during a pandemic, our thoughts and feelings are not always healthy right now.
Both mental health professionals see there's a problem across the country and in southern Colorado. Binge eating and self-medicating with drugs and alcohol as people try to manage the stress of the COVID-19 pandemic and isolation.
We're going to see a spike in anxiety disorders, mood disorders, substance abuse disorders. When this pandemic gets to another phase, mental health workers are going to be the frontline heroes.
Experts say binge eating symptoms include eating unusually large amounts of food in a specific amount of time, eating even when you're full or not hungry, eating fast during binge episodes, eating until you're uncomfortably full, eating alone or in secret to avoid embarrassment, and feeling distressed, ashamed, or guilty about your eating. Tanya Dean owns a dog grooming business in Florida. She had to close her business because of COVID-19. It sent her down a dark path after being 6 years sober from drugs and alcohol. But reconnecting with her family led her out.
It was actually my mom. He just literally said, "You need help," and that's when I finally surrendered.
Addiction experts say tackling addiction starts with telling someone you trust.
So when we bring it to light, it reduces our anxiety right away.
Even if we aren't the ones struggling, we can play an important role in helping friends and loved ones to escape bad habits.
Don't let this time stop you from checking in. If your gut tells you something's wrong with someone you love, just check in.
Mental health experts say there are hundreds of smartphone apps that can help you to manage your anxiety. And if you head to our website, koaa.com, I've already posted resources, a 24/7 hotline, and contact information for mental health experts who are ready to help you get through this. Always watching out for you. Patrick Nelson, News 5.